October, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lauren Boucher, and today I'll be making beer cheese. I'm having an Oktoberfest party, so I want to, try out a new recipe and see if I can make some beer cheese, because I'm going to be getting pretzels. I only have hard pretzels right now, but I'm gonna get soft pretzels for the party. Anyway, long story short, you need some sharp cheddar. I got Cabot Vermont Sharp, Worcestershire cream or milk, spicy brown, onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, flour, and butter. And you can put garlic salt, you can put actual garlic. I looked up like 100 recipes and I just picked them all. And you need salt. So first I'm gonna shred the cheese so that it's ready, and then I'm gonna bring you over to the stove because everything's happening on the stove. Oh my gosh. And beer, you need beer. You need a quarter cup of beer. So this is 8 ounces of cheese. You need about 6 ounces. You really need the majority of this cheese. First, try it, make sure it's good. I'm gonna tell you something. You really can't go wrong with Vermont cheddar. You can't go wrong with Cabot. You can't go wrong with Vermont cheddar. There used to be a Cabot store in Portland. I just go and I sample and I'd buy, and it was always a great experience, always a great time. But anyway, back to work. This doesn't expire till September 2nd, 2022. I had no idea cheese lasted that long. They make it, well, I guess it's aged. No, I guess it's aged already, so basically like you're aging it yourself. Okay, so just shred it up. What's the song? Shred it up. Little darling, shred it up. Come on, baby. Shred it up. Little darling, shred it up. Come on, baby. Okay, I'm gonna save the rest of this for a snack later on. Alright, meet me at the stove and I will throw the ingredients in this pot while I'm stirring. First you melt the butter, and then you put in the flour, and then you're gonna put in the beer and the cream and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it thicken up a little bit, and then you'll throw in the Worcestershire, the Dijon, the spices, and mix it all together. Then you're gonna take it off the stove and put in the cheese a little bit at a time to melt it. So that's what I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna bring you to the stove. Wunderbar. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it to medium to low heat, and I'm gonna grab a whisk. Okay, turning it down a little bit. Oh, Jesus. Way too hot. Ouch. Okay, 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Mix this right in. Okay, we got a roux, cup of milk. So now that we have the roux, I'm gonna do the 1/2 cup of milk. That's 1/4 cup. And by milk, I mean heavy cream. It's a 1/2 cup. Okay. And we are gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. It's already pretty thick. I forgot the beer. 1/4 cup of beer. I'm using Sierra Nevada Oktoberfest. Okay, there we go. Now that's supposed to cook for 5 to 7. So that's why it needed to get thick. And I use not warm beer, but room temperature beer. You can see. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, even though it's pretty low, but I'm gonna turn it down even more. I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh yeah, it's pretty thick. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna start mixing in the topping ingredients. So I'm not gonna measure anything out, but it calls for 1 teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. I'm guessing that's probably like three good squirts. Okay. Half a teaspoon of Worcestershire. I'm guessing that's like 2. Oop, there we go. Oh. Squirt of onion powder. I'm gonna try and do a real small amount of cayenne. I think I'm gonna do it on my hand, so yeah, that was perfect. And then a little bit of salt. Oh, let's sit a little too long. All right, now we get some flavored cheese. Almost cheese. We still gotta add in the cheese. Let that meld together. Now I am going to turn the heat off and slowly add in the cheese. Handfuls at a time? I don't know how slowly to add in the cheese. And I don't know why you have to do it slowly. Okay. I just licked my fingers and I know this is gonna be really good. I'll meet you at the table to dip some pretzels. This cheese, oh my gosh, it smells like mac and cheese. Smells really good. I sold it like this. I have the honey wheat pretzels from Trader Joe's. Delicious. Oh yeah. Look how thick it is. This is thick. Boy, look, it just sticks right there. Oh my god. You can taste the beer. You actually can. Dude, I'm telling you, this beer cheese, so look at it. That's how thick it is. Heavenly. I think the combo of the Oktoberfest beer and the Vermont cheddar from Cabot is really killing the game. It took about 10 minutes. It didn't even take long. 10 minutes, and we're gonna have a party. Perfect for Oktoberfest, perfect for a football party. I mean, these are just honey wheat pretzels and it's amazing. I can't even imagine this with like the hot, soft pretzels. Everyone, I said it before and I'll say it again, you have to make this. You have to make this. Really. Pretty nuts. I mean, it's thick. This is thick cheese. Oh my god, this on a hot dog. Not only for pretzels. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video today. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Tell your friends to watch my show. I need more views. Thank you, everyone.